Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to fit a rocker cover, cam cover gasket. First of all, you need to remove the air filter. When the air filter is removed, undo this screw here on the oil filler neck and undo the diesel injector pipes. Just crack them off so they move. When this is undone, turns 45 degrees, then pops out like that. Then undo the injector plugs, which are these. Be careful not to break them, and then just undo the other injector pipes off the injector, these four there. Yeah, the video is speeded up, my hands don't move that fast, just save you time watching like a half-hour video. Now carefully remove the green clips here on the leak-off pipes. Be very careful with these because you don't want to break them, and there's a little rubber seal that goes on the top. Right, when you get this black plastic cover off, it's a bit of a pain when you do it with one hand because you're holding the camera. There's like a little 8mm bolt. Just undo that and remove the clamp from the two injectors. Remove the two bolts to the left and right where the air filter bolts onto. It's a 14mm bolt with a little 10mm at the bottom if it does come off differently. And then there's 5 at the front and 5 at the back 10mm bolts to remove the rocker cover. Then just give the injectors a little wiggle side to side. They should pop out quite easily. Make sure the copper washers come out with them and you don't lose them. Just remove the other injectors, then you undo the 5 bolts at the front, 5 at the back, and there's like a little breather pipe at the back there, the Jubilee clip. Don't forget to undo that. Well, now it's time to remove the rocker cover. Remember there's 2 locating pins underneath, so you've got to lift it up before you can move it side to side. And just clean around the edge very carefully where the rocker cover sits to get all the rubbish out of the way, make it all nice and clean. Make sure no bits fall inside the engine, you don't want that happening. And clean where the injectors go, right down there. You can see how dirty it is. You don't want any bits of grime and stuff stuck down there. So clean it out best as you can. Here's the old gasket. It's very, very hard. It should be nice and soft really, to stop any leaks. That one's been on there for a long time. Okay, here's the engine all clean now, where it's going to sit. And just reverse what you've just done. Well, when you install the injectors, make sure the copper seal washer on the end there doesn't fall into the engine, or else you'll be in big trouble. You have to take it all out again. You need to try and slot it straight down there without it going side to side. If you look at one of my previous videos, it shows you how